Your wishes will help children everywhere. So all that change that goes into that well gets picked up and donated to a charity, a children's charity. So if you guys have any change when you come to Disneyland, make sure to come to Snow White's Grotto and the well right here next to the castle and drop some change. I like Snow White. So these columns right here, if you notice, it has like a design and then no design. So this was supposed to be like a pie crust, and it actually used to be gray when it used to be Snow White Enchanted Castle. But then they decided to go ahead and paint it because a lot of people couldn't tell that it was supposed to be pie crust. So that's why they have it painted in two different colors, and you'll see it all along the castle as well.
Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y asegúrense de vigilar a sus niños, ¿eh? Oh, y también, ojo alerta con la malvada reina.
Can't hide Snow White from me.
Hi-ho, hi-ho.